Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you for tuning into my channel. I am here today with a really big problem. Basically, I woke up on Monday and I had a really huge, big, pus-filled, oozy, goozy, woozy sit on my face. Um, the sit started out really big. It was basically hanging off my face. It was like, oh, it was like one of those underskin, thick, pus-filled. Ugh. Okay, I'm not gonna go into detail. You guys get the picture. It was nasty. So anyway, and I was so upset. It was like right there, it was like, hi, I'm here. So anyways, I got really upset, but then I started thinking, I might as well put this sit to work for me. So today I'm coming at you with a video on how I cover up sits. Yes, because we all get them. Nobody's perfect. And if you read my blog, bffwithkimberlycaines.com, you know that I've had a really big acne problem in the past. Right before going on stage and doing the whole beauty pageant stuff, it was horrible and I wouldn't wish it on my worst enemy. So I'm here to help today. Yes. I have a sit right now. You might not be able to see it, which is awesome. The sit started on Monday. I film on the weekend, so the whole week I was hoping and praying that the sit wouldn't go away, believe it or not, so that I could film this little quick tutorial. And there's still some reminiscence of it right now. Now, it started huge, guys. It was like right there hanging off my face, like I can't even begin to explain. But anyway, let me show you guys how I cover up sits. It's really easy, really quick. You can do it right at home. If you ever have a sit, you can stop worrying about it because I have a solution for you guys. It's real easy. So, give this video a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel so you can become part of my Kim squad. And leave me a comment. Check out all my social media. I got all kinds of stuff going on. I'm sure you guys will love it. And now let me show you my sit. Enjoy. Or no, don't enjoy. So, here is my sit. Yes, and it's like red and yeah, it's all bad. But anyway, so this is how I would cover up a sit in everyday life and for pictures and all that stuff too. So first, I have no makeup on here. I just removed it so I could do this for you guys. I'm very tempted to pop this sit because it's real poppable right now. And all you girls know what I mean. But yeah, so first thing I do is I put a primer on it. You can use any primer just to prepare the skin for what's to come. I'm going to use the Becca Velvet Blurring Primer. And only because it's a blurring primer, so it's going to hopefully blur away that sit. There. That's it. And I'm going to put it all on the whole area around the sit. And I like to do everything with my fingers because the warmth of your finger kind of helps the product blend more so than a brush, I find. There, and I'm sitting like this because it's like right at the edge of my chin. There, you can already see that it's kind of fading. My sit was red, so if it's red, you can always use like a green concealer to kind of neutralize the red. But the blurring primer kind of did that for me too. As you can see, it's not as red anymore. After applying the blurring primer, we are going to apply the concealer. And I am using the Becca Cosmetics, what is it called? Let me see here. The Becca Cosmetics Ultimate Coverage Concealing Cream in the shade Coffee. And this stuff, girls, is a must-have. This is such a fabulous, I mean, it's almost empty because I use it like it lasts forever, but I've had it for a long time and it just gets the job done. So this is awesome because it covers everything you don't want to have seen, everything, just a dab does it. Watch. So I'm gonna put that on my gigantuous sit. So just a dab, and I'm gonna put it right on the annoying sit and the whole area around it too. Don't just put it on the sit because then it'll stand out. You want to make sure you cover the whole area with the same color. Like that. And there. And you can put on as much as you want, really. Now, after that, all that's left is to finish it off with some loose powder. I'm using Clinique number 4, the translucent powder, which is my go-to. And I'm using a fluffy little brush. You want to make sure you always use a little fluffy brush for this, not like a stiff brush, because that'll remove all the product, and you want to make sure the product stays put. You just dab it in the powder, get rid of the excess, and then you're just going to dab it on all over that area, not just on the spot, all over, because you want to make sure the whole area looks the same. And there you go. That's it. It's gone. That's it. It's gone. Okay, so it was a quick little video, I know, but this method works. Just remember, use a concealer that has maximum coverage and use just a dab of it, and that'll do it. It'll get that sucker right off your face. So that was it for now. I hope you guys like my videos. I hope you like what I'm doing on social media and on YouTube and all that other stuff. And if you do, subscribe to my channel. Love having you. And that's it. Okay? Bye. See you again next time.